Hello,
Hello, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah, can you tell about yourselves?
I'm Jyotsna Bania.
Okay,
I'm from.
this is your father?
Yeah, he is my father.
Yeah.
We are from Guwahati, Assam.
Okay,
And I'm doing MC in chemistry.
okay,
I'm 23 years old.
you're 23. Okay, what exactly is your problem? Why did you come to me?
Okay. From childhood, I have no sensation for my urine and stool. And there is always leakage of urine,
Okay,
and that's all. This is
yeah,
the
you
problem.
had some primary problem?
No, sir.
You had meningomyelocele, isn't it?
Oh, yes, sir.
You had a condition which is common in some children called meningomyelocele.
Okay, sir.
And and your doctors would have told you that your urine and bowel was affected because of the meningomyelocele, isn't it?
Okay.
Your doctors, and you got operated for that meningomyelocele?
Two. But
2002 you got operated.
Yes, sir.
And what did the doctor say that time?
that it may be become
You may improve, may not improve, isn't
may
it?
not be improved.
Okay, so
But
they
it's
couldn't give you any 100%. They were not sure whether you will improve or not. They
no,
said it may
yes,
improve,
sir.
may not improve.
May not be
Did
improved.
after the meningomyelocele, did anything improve?
No, sir, nothing is improved.
Okay.
I have no sensation for urine and motion
Okay.
after the operation.
You had no sensation for urine motion.
Yes.
And what else was there? You had urine flowing, leaking of
Yes,
urine?
it's leaking, and I have to apply lots of pressure for passing urine.
Lots of pressure. In fact, I remember you were saying that you had to scream and cry before you. Is it?
Yes,
Can you repeat what you said that day?
Yes, sir. For passing urine, I have to apply lots of pressure, which make me just swept out and cry.
Okay, you used to really cry because of the effort that you put.
And it's passed very little amount of urine.
With all the effort, you pass only very little amount of urine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then it is the same like that, or was it going down, deteriorating?
So it's going down.
No, that time from your 2002 to till a few days back, your problem was increasing or it was the same?
Oh, so it's decreasing my problem.
Decreasing means no. Your problem was it the same, or it was because you think you were straining more and more to pass urine and all that?
No, so it's improved nowadays.
No. I am not talking about before this time. I am talking about 2003, 2004 and all that.
It was same, sir.
It's the same.
Same.
The only thing is it's just the same. You are not deteriorating. You are not improving. You are not
No,
deteriorating.
sir, I'm not improving.
Fantastic. Okay. And then that is why you came to us,
Yes.
isn't it? Okay. What did we tell you when you came to us?
Sir,
What did we tell you when you came to us?
you had told me about the sacral nerve stimulation for incontinence,
Okay.
and you tell me about your website and read about the sacral nerve stimulation for incontinence in net.
Okay.
And I go through it, and I found that it will be very useful for me, benefit my problem.
Okay. So you had a good knowledge of the procedure before you came to me for the
Yes.
procedure itself.
So I saw the videos and
Yes.
images. And
Yes. So you had a good idea,
yes, sir.
and do you know what to expect, what not to expect also.
Yes, sir.
You knew what to expect, what not to expect, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It was very clear to you that time,
Yes,
isn't it?
sir.
Okay. And then what happened?
Then we come to here after the stimulation.
Yeah. So initially what was done? See, initially, when you came here, you went through some tests. Did you undergo some tests?
Yes, sir. There's a trial.
Before that, you underwent urodynamic studies and all that, isn't
Yes,
it?
sorry, I forgot it.
Yeah.
I have done urodynamic studies. This shows
Yeah.
that my bladder capacity is large, but it is hypertonic, and that I passes very little, about 100 ml of urine after applying so much of pressure.
Okay. So urodynamics shows that you had a very what you call soft bladder. It is not contracting at all.
Yes, sir.
And that's why you were forced to strain so much.
Yes, sir.
And then what else? There was also another problem, no? What did blood test showed some other problem,
Yes,
no?
so that the blood urea is increased. My
Yeah,
kidney
blood urea and
get
creatinine
affected.
was increasing. So you know what that meant?
Means my kidney gets affected from this.
Because of this problem.
Yes, sir.
Primarily this problem is affecting your kidneys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And okay, and then as was explained to you, you underwent the trial.
Yes.
How did the trial go?
So after a trial, I felt that there is no leakage, and I got sensation for urine, and I had applied very less pressure, and I had passed about 350 to 300 ml of urine.
Okay, so basically, your most of your complaints started coming down. That is, you are passing more urine, you are applying less pressure, and you are feeling some sensation of the urine.
And there is no leakage.
There's no leakage. So that made you happy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you were advised to undergo the main surgery, the battery surgery.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel after the main surgery?
After surgery, this leakage, and I got no sensation. But so after increasing the current, the leakage is less, and now applying less pressure, I can pass now 300 to 330, 50 ml of urine.
Around 300 to 400 ml average you are passing without much effort.
Yes, sir.
There is some leak, still some leak, but it is not as bad as it was before the surgery.
Yes, sir.
Of course, we are not comparing the trial, because trial is a different, I told you, trial is a different battery. Trial is done for a different purpose, and this is done for a different purpose. So we should not confuse the results with the trial and what is happening here. And you have also been told very clearly that this is not the only step. You need to be undergoing multiple programming sessions, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what did the doctors tell you?
So
What did they tell you about you need to come back repeatedly 3-4 times?
Yes, sir, and that he told me that it will take time, because it's a long-term process, and it's for my whole life, and it will take time. It's up to 6 months, and I will got sensation, the leak will be stopped, and my life will change.
Yes. And about the bowel movement also, you know that it's going to take some more time. It's not going to happen tomorrow, it's going to take some more time.
It takes time.
So overall, how much you feel the surgery has benefited you? 10%, 20% like that?
Now, after surgery, it's 4-5 days ago, my surgery is done. Now I'm feeling about 40% improvement. And you are confident that it's only a matter of time before you become a healthy, normal young adult girl? Yes, sir.
And you are sure that you can have a good normal life as before?
Yes.
Okay. And what else? You were talking about your kidney problem, no?
Sir.
You have any idea what happened to the kidney problem now?
Yes, sir. Doctor, nephrologist, said that my kidney condition is now improving and becoming normal. Okay,
that is your high blood urea and creatinine is slowly coming down to normal levels.
Yes,
that I think is a great thing, isn't it? Otherwise, people with chronic renal failure can have a very miserable life, isn't it? Okay, so what do you want to say about this problem this surgery? Basically we are talking about this surgery. What do you want to tell people about this surgery?
I will want to tell that this is very benefit for those people who have this problem. And I think it has no pain, no side effect. There is no infection maybe, and it will.
And not much risk of surgery.
Yes, and it will be benefit for all those people who has this problem.
So you strongly recommend this procedure?
Yes, because I feeling the improvement I have got after my surgery.
Very good, excellent. So we'll just talk to your father for a few. Let us ask his opinions. Okay, sir, please tell me you can say in Hindi, sir. Go ahead.
सर अभी पहले से मैं इनको बहुत अच्छा बेहतर दिख रहा हूँ। आफ्टर सर्जरी बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है।
अच्छा, तो आप बेटी के बाद में तो आपको खुश हो रहा है?
जी सर, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, अभी बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है।
कि ये तो बोला है कि 40% इम्प्रूवमेंट उसको महसूस हो रहा है।
जी जी।
आपको बाहर से देखने से कितने?
मेरे को भी बाहर से 50 से भी ज्यादा दिखाई दे रहा है।
50 के ज्यादा
से दिखाई दे रहा है, इसीलिए क्योंकि ये पहले से बिफोर सर्जरी ये बहुत ही लीकेज होता था, बहुत ही मतलब प्रॉब्लम था उस टाइम। तो अभी सर वो प्रॉब्लम में नहीं दिख रहा हूँ। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे सर।
Okay, so you feel that this surgery has changed your daughter's life.
Sure.
So you are happy, comfortable, and of course, ultimately, as we have discussed many times, it is always the God Almighty who decides.
Sure.
And I think we should all pray and praise God Almighty for whatever He has given.
Right.
Thank you very much. Bye. You came last time when?
In September.
In September you came. Compared to your September visit, how are you feeling now? Because we adjusted the battery parameters.
So after the adjustment, now I'm feeling better.
How much better you feel?
So about
2%, 5%, 30-40% you are feeling better?
Yes, sir.
You are saying you are feeling better with 30-40%?
Yes, sir.
You are sure?
Yes, sir.
No change?
No.
No, I am not talking about from the day you saw me first time, 1 year back or so. I am talking about from September to now.
From September to now, I'm feeling about 10%.
Be a little louder.
10% more better.
You feel 10% more better. Okay. And what all has improved?
Sir, now the
Compared to September, you tell me. Then I will ask you about what has situation before surgery.
So now leaking is less and urine output is increased.
And you were saying something, no? Previously you go to examination hall,
Yes, sir.
within 3 hours you are so miserable that you cannot complete the examination.
Yes, sir. I have a sense of that.
Yeah, but now?
Now I can sit in examination for 3 hours without any tension.
Without any tension. You are relaxed.
Yes.
But when does a leak occur? In the nights or in the daytime?
On the night. Sometimes it leaks in day, but it less.
It is definitely less.
But at night it leaks.
And what about, do you strain now for passing urine?
No, it's also less.
It is, so you don't need to strain and
No.
I remember you told me you used to cry and howl and all that.
Yes, sir.
Now you don't do all that.
No.
Okay. So, and now compared to the first time you met me when?
So first time in October, last year October.
2013 October you met me. And we operated when?
In March
This March.
2014.
2014 March. Okay. Compared to October 2013 to October 2014, how much better you are?
There are lots of changes.
No, that's all. See, October 2013 to October 2014. What is the difference you have felt?
Difference is that I think.
Or I will put it in a better way. Probably you are confused with the question. I will put it in a different way. How much better you are? 5%, 10%, how much is better you are?
About 30 to 40%.
30 to 40% better. Now what all has improved compared to October 2013? What all has improved?
That now leaking is, previous condition is less.
How much less? You would say it is...
In October 2013, there was leaking at day also, in day and night.
Okay.
Now it's in daytime it is less leaking, but at night it's leaking, but in daytime it is comparatively very less.
Very less. Okay, then what else?
And
you used to say that you used to strain, now you don't need to strain for urine, isn't it?
yes, and I have to apply less pressure for urine.
That time, October 2013. Now, no.
Now, no, I need pressure, but it's comparatively less.
Okay, so, okay, and then what else is improved?
And
That's all.
that's all.
And you don't have any side effects because of this this thing?
No, I don't have any side
Absolutely, you are not feeling any problem from this thing?
effects. No,
You don't feel, you don't even feel that it is there, no?
no, sir.
You're,
There's
it's perfectly...
no side effect.
No side effects. No, that's very important because side effects are, so patients have to have benefits also and should not have side effects also. Anything, any treatment you take, there should be benefits and there should not be side effects. So with this machine system on, with this second law stimulation in your body, you don't have any problem.
No, sir. There's no problem with the
No
battery.
problem. Battery or electrode or anything.
No.
Absolutely normal.
No.
You have never felt any problem.
No, sir.
Fantastic.